Once upon a time, in a land not so far away, there was a magical forest known only to a few. It was called the Enchanted Forest, where all creatures, big and small, lived together in harmony, and trees whispered tales of old. The heart of the forest was illuminated by a shimmering pond that reflected a kaleidoscope of colors, casting spells of wonder and joy upon all who visited. In this forest lived a charming rabbit named Ralph, who was known for his curiosity and kind heart. Ralph had the softest fur, the color of the earth on a sunny day, and eyes that sparkled like dewdrops in the early morning light. Despite being surrounded by enchantment every day, Ralph always wondered what lay beyond the boundary, where the tall ancient oaks stood, as if guarding a secret. One fine day, Ralph's curiosity got the better of him. Together with his best friend Bella, a wise old turtle renowned for her knowledge and gentle humor, they decided to venture into the unknown. Bella, with her shell that's been scribbled upon by time itself, was always ready for an adventure, her slow and steady pace balancing Ralph's excitement. As they journeyed deeper into the forest, they met Oliver, a playful young squirrel who loved collecting acorns and stories. Eager for company and new tales, Oliver joined Ralph and Bella. The trio's laughter filled the forest, echoing off the ancient trees. The further they went, the denser the trees grew, their leaves forming a canopy so thick that it turned day into twilight. Suddenly, they stumbled upon an old bridge covered in moss. Beyond it lay an open meadow filled with flowers that danced in the gentle breeze. Here, they met the guardian of the meadow, a graceful deer with antlers decorated in vines and blossoms. The guardian thanked them for their bravery and offered them a gift, a flower from the meadow that never wilts, a symbol of the friendships that only grow stronger with time. As Ralph, Bella, and Oliver made their way back home under a sky painted with the colors of sunset, they realized that while the world beyond was full of wonders, the enchanted forest itself held endless mysteries waiting to be uncovered. And so, they decided that every adventure starts with simply crossing the line between the known and the unknown, guided by friendship and curiosity.